Hey guys, so another super simple Python lesson today. We're going to show you how to create a dictionary. And if you check the link in the description, you'll see this page that you see on the right side here. Just a quick guide showing you how to create a dictionary in Python. I'm actually going to go ahead and actually I'm going to run this from the interpreter like I have been for a lot of these. So I'm just going to run Python 3. So I'm not going to actually create a script. Because this is just a few quick lines of code. So I'm going to copy and paste this over here. Now, basically, this is how you would create a dictionary. And we're not going to get into depth with dictionaries today, but we're just going to show you basically how to create one in the absolute basics of dictionaries. So here we're creating a dictionary called D. So we're initializing it with value. Now you use these curly brackets. Everything inside them is your dictionary. This is what you initialize it with. So here we have a few different items in your dictionary labeled as, we're labeling them with strings. You could label them with other things if you want. So this one, like size 5, value 123, color blue. So the values could be integers, they could be strings, or whatever. So you can put just about anything you want in a dictionary. It's basically a hash or an associative array. Those are other terms you could use for a dictionary. But there we go. Hit enter. We just created that dictionary. So if we type D just to display it, this prints out the value of our dictionary. So yeah, if you were actually writing a script, you wouldn't just put D there. That wouldn't actually print out. If you wanted to print the value, you would actually say print and then specify your dictionary. Gives you the same thing. That's what you would do in an actual script. Now, if you want to create an empty dictionary that's just initialized but doesn't have any values, we'll show you this example right here. So there you go, empty dict, and just use the two curly brackets. That way it knows it's a dictionary, but it's going to be empty. So yeah. Print that out, and it shows you can still see from the output it's a dictionary, but it's empty. So if you just want to initialize one to get filled later on with like a for loop, or initialize it with some data pulled from a function or something, that's what you would use that for. Now you can also initialize one using the dict function. So right here, there you go. Initialize a dictionary like that too. And it gives you the same thing. Now, let's say if we want, since we already initialized that, let's show you how to do it with a fresh variable. So let's say you want to assign it to x. Now we can see x also was initialized to an empty dictionary also. So let's see, yeah, every key is unique. Yeah, that's the other thing. So like size, value, color, these keys are going to be unique, right? So you got your keys, value, key, value, key, value. The keys all have to be unique, the values don't. All right, so you can set and override values. So remember we right up here we defined the dictionary D. So that has these keys and values in it. Now say if we want to add some more values, let's set a value like this. Now let's see. All right, so if we want to set a value to for a new for a new key, we're going to have a key called color. So for a new key called color, we want to set a value and we want to call it green. Now everything after the pound sign here is a comment. You don't really need that, but you could leave it in if you want. And we're operating on the dictionary D. So let's hit enter. Now we've assigned a color. So D looks like that. See, we now have we've now set the value for color here. Now if we want to overwrite that value, you can do that. Let's just hit up arrow. And let's just set this to red, right? Print it out, and you can see color was changed to red. Now let's say if you want to set another value, you could say color 2. Now you see it dynamically added. We still have color, but we have another one right here. So we we now have color too. So you can dynamically add fields to a dictionary like that. So let's say if we, you can just randomly add them, randomly add new keys like this. You could see like that, and not too exciting, but see you have ASDF is red, A is red, so we're just adding keys and values like that. You could set it to, whatever you want to set it to. You could set it like this. A is going to be a number like that. There you go. We've assigned it. So you can assign values. Essentially, you're going to use this notation where you use the square brackets. You specify the key inside the square brackets, and you use the assignment operator equals sign to assign whatever value you want to. So specify your dictionary here, and your index within or key within the dictionary right here, and within the square brackets, and assign whatever you want to it. That's basically all there is to it. That's how you create a dictionary in Python. Super simple lesson here. Hopefully someone finds this useful. Hopefully this helps someone. Might want to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, hit the little bell icon. Do leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, criticisms. If you know something I don't know, do let me know. Hopefully you found this useful. Hopefully you liked watching this. But as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.